Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Are you on a hunt to buy your first car in CarX Street? If yes, you are in the right place. Buying your first car is one of the most exciting moments in the game. It's where your journey really begins. So here is how you can easily do it. First of all, open up your CarX Street game on your device and wait for the main screen to load. Once it loads, go ahead and click on this little add button over here at the bottom left, and it will take you to the shop kind of a menu. Once you come to this page, you'll be able to see available cars. Browse through the available cars from the menu. You'll see different classes, prices, performance stats, and styles. Take your time, look around, and choose the one that fits your starting budget. I'm just gonna go with this car over here. Now go to the right hand side corner and tap the buy button if the fund is available to you. For some cars out there, you can spend your goals available to you. The amount of in-game currency you have will be displayed at the top right over here. Simply go ahead and choose the car that fits your budget, and once you find the car, tap on the buy button at the bottom right and click on the buy button. And you have successfully bought a new car in the game. If you don't have enough money yet, then you can go ahead and win few races, earn more cash, and then return back to the same menu and purchase a car that fits your budget. So there you have successfully bought your first car in CarX Street. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.